Breaking news, Paul Adom Otchere. Akojani from airport. Manchester Paul Adom Otchere fiti. Kwasi adano na mehwehwe. What friend is me first na edum. Afe aso him say edum ye no not play. Okay.
Ebusia ena no pa we de okopiem e wo media ne so a eho ayesiwie ni nyina agina sem. Eye Paul Adom Otchere a oni na host eye Good Evening Ghana wo Ghtrend TV. Akopiem se wo UK. Na UK ho na woko no waja ne phone e wo airport.
Oh, okay. So the owner works at Metro TV station in Ghana. He hosts a program called Good Evening Ghana. The name is Paul Adom Otchere.
I can't locate this passenger. The passenger needs to come here and take the phone. There's no way I can reach.
Oh, so is it at the UK airport, Heathrow?
Afa so se sia de Kevin Taylor ba ene Empress Gifty adoye onu na ehu na mane oni ni kuru wo se wo mu pe ba bi ntina na enwene ye hu aha let's talk GH mo se any first time akopenti my video make sure say over subscribe ama me no wa click e won notification bell no set there any upload be ebe mo sabeti mi aka your Facebook as let's talk GH rumors and your TikTok as let's talk GH make sure say over follow these pages any comments be answer one obeja comment section or edem. Na ye nyina ye nim se ye Paul Adom Otchere de warning bi amanfo de bi ascending na titiw ene Captain Smart ne nyina agina se o say no backlash NDC pa ene eye President elect John Dramani Mahama enti no na amanfo hwe ani mu se NDC awe ni election yi eye Paul Adom Otchere obeye dem se si ade ente ya aba eye Women's Commissioner de ma NDC maami ani din Dr.Hanna Bisiw waba a wo se wa frɛ bra Paul sa wonya no na ofre no ni akosi ni se ne phone akopiem e wo airport.
Yes, we help Paul Adom Otchere. O de fitinra no kreni fitinra ma frɛ Paul sa me pacho. Ti. Ona go so frɛ. So titon. Yeah, I say wo ko brojiro. Oko UK. Di Good Evening Ghana one be. Ma frɛ Paul sa. First na do. Me wa mene no won sembisa. Me won sembisa. Hello?
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 Hi. This phone is at the information desk at the airport. Are you the owner of this phone?
No, I'm not the owner. We are looking for the owner. The owner is called Paul Adom Otchere, a journalist in Ghana.
Oh, because this phone I think is lost and handed in at the information desk.
Oh, okay. So the owner works at Metro TV station in Ghana. He hosts a program called Good Evening Ghana. The name is Paul Adom Otchere.
I can't locate this passenger. The passenger needs to come here and take the phone. There's no way I can reach.
Oh, so is it at the UK airport, Heathrow?
Yes, it's at Heathrow Airport in London.
Heathrow Airport in London. Okay. So we'll reach out for the phone. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Airport. Breaking news, Paul Adom Otchere. Akojani from airport. Manchester Paul Adom Otchere fiti. Kwasi adano na mehwehwe. What friend is me first na edum. Afe aso him say edum ye no not play. Okay. Odu ho pe otitwa no agya ma abrofo no wadwane. If you so who see be friend. Okay, my tear for background. Oh, me fair airplane akwa. Yeah, na you be sure that doctor say or help Paul Adom Otchere. No our friend is on find to try number na hwese be kwa. And one try number na the microphone no. And obroni ba peke. Obroni ba ni say phone nura ayira. Omo hwehwe no ye hu ba bia phone nura no so. Phone dia papa bi dia friend Paul Adom Otchere we mo Metro TV Ghana. Obroni no and our doctor. It's breaking news. Paul Adom Otchere phone. Akoka Heathrow Airport. UK. Wajane. Paul Adom Otchere Ghana wajane. Paul Adom Otchere. Share. Where the mefa airplane kwa koji phone. It's live from Heathrow Airport. La where your live report from Heathrow Airport. Is ya mayor reporter. And one me Metro 4. Mukanja Randy Abi. Say Randy Abi a good morning.
Yeah, Ode good morning.
Randy me pacho a good evening Ghana ni phone account.
Eti I'm not for Musa Damko ya no mo bo mo dwane. Asembeni.
Wajami, me fete Sunday, me from me say.
Ka friend is awunya no.
Me first na dum. Na me san chance bi. Na bo ho.
Yeah.
Na me say Paul, me fere akosi so be fa phone.
Dr. Empress here.
Mati.
Is your me who the whereabouts of Paul Adom?
Oh, UK, Heathrow Airport.
Heathrow Airport.
Hona. Inida.
Yes.
Information.
Yes. Iti Paul Adom Echo UK. Ni phone. I hope plenty. Ada ohun se be share this attire na. Every so why check it? We check out all Saturday near man who say your mama tells you just pull out to Paul Ira or UK. Eti near Tierra no Pampaso, the rich man. Doctor, thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me.
Yame mama hode na amude be yejuma no. Na Ghana for Jimudi. Pressure dey be ebeda mo so the chair say the number of seats are masses abom bono. Esemu yemu ejuma. And I know you won't disappoint Ghanaians because women say as I said reset no and who are candidate in Aba. So you wish him all the best. You also you boa a support him abomoniema who the room. I'm a Ghana phone so who no. And kuya you be kanama trentre no. Since Ghana who don't tea and you know so more you be do hanum. And that's be brave.
Sana because like I say any comments be awon. Ubeja e comment section ho agyenkyere bia wo timi bia wo dwen say eye no kre ada set up ubetimi eja e comment section ho e de amam yen nyina ye nim say Empress Gifty ebra NDC ewe ni elections na no ba live ene obeji nani ye tears of joy no de ba ni nyina gina say wo say MPP edi ni kuna ni pa yenka ye ho kakra emra
ya chi ni kuna to say uradi won sanchire ne na tumi ye biribia eya wo dia wo ka na bemu dia wo hye na china ewrade me ma hopes na adwuma wa ye nye kwa ewrade me nku na nimu ase e ma na tamfo nya no and God stepped in and some people omugina in the gap honorable alanchamatene ne yiri china mu lawyers akasie adechi nya homa chi na omo frame so omo beji ni kunu atare. Let me tell you something. And the Lord spoke to me. Go and look for white dress for your husband. I me call far white. Up and down, you know. Me se mo dia mo pada ye mi kunu no mo hwa atare mi kunu she. And na me dey atare ne beto picture yi so. Na me start to say me boy watch me. Na me say urade. Mama san hwe mi kunu wate. Me nim guase ni yen shira ma no urade ngu ne ni mu ase. Me ngu hopes ni ni mu ase. One friend is so beku na ni mu ase. Hey, watch me. Watch me. Moshe die nyame peyami. All many guasien come do. Those who laugh at Hobson. Are you still laughing? Those who insulted him. Are you still insulting him? Those who called him hopeless. Are you still gonna call him hopeless? Those who said say he's good on your upia. Hopsin on your beer. Say Hopsin ya beba go pane chow. Ena ye baby ni dia enye ka ye lusu. Hey!
Ebusiasa wakae aha nti video we by na ne nkofo bebre ana abo Empress Gifty achi ebi musi maame ukunu no ne ho dwoa anka MPP fo ene na eni asie ebi muso support ne ene sisia de bra panyi Kevin Taylor aba ene wawe ni chiase Kevin Taylor de wo so wasemu a otetim sesia poster wa ye no osem Gifty osem. Stop coming on social media to cry and try to portray your husband as innocent. Everyone knows your joy over the NDC's win is because your husband was sacked from the Ghana airport and the MPP party. When your husband was working with the MPP, you enjoyed the benefits, big money, free flow, and other privileges, yet you never spoke out about anything. When your husband was insulting Ghanaians and attacking the Fix the Country movement, you didn't hear anything wrong then. But now, you are crying all because of your selfish interest. This is a warning. Stop coming on social media with such behavior, or you and your husband will hear from me. Any said your bra Kevin Esiano no or say Empress Gifty pe baby tina na wo time na wukunu enjoy na or ye adwuma airport na o enjoy. Wa ama me cash you time na MPP for man fu efifu na wo kwa up and down wo gi steady no wa me cash nya afa ya man ya pam mo afi party ni mu na wo be ye ho gaga wo see wa man woni ti wo nim no oba social media ne so e be ye sa na ma no be ye ni bie mo dia enye papa emma one no wonim se Kevin Taylor so de ye be ka so se ade ye wo ka wo be ye so ba so tie so de ene na wo be pe baby afa medimani edi ensem nechi any updates be before ababia the baba be so mo your Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and your TikTok as let's talk gh let's also be follow these pages e de amami medin e de na na akwa santo makram